Managing a small business could make you feel like you're juggling 1,000 balls. From managing your finances to handling customer service, marketing, and other tedious jobs, the workload can quickly pile up. Now imagine you had a whole squad of artificial intelligence tools at your disposal to simplify your tasks. Let's unveil these tools for your business. Number 1. HubSpot AI, CRM, sales automation, and email marketing. When it comes to maintaining customer interactions and automating your sales process, HubSpot AI is a powerhouse. Small businesses can benefit from HubSpot's AI-driven CRM system by centralizing lead management, contact segmentation, and engagement tracking. Effortlessly send targeted, high-converting emails with the help of AI-powered marketing, and never miss a sales opportunity with its sales automation tools. This tool automates repetitive processes, making it simple to automate time-consuming customer relationship management activities. For local companies seeking to expand their clientele and improve their sales procedures, it is the tool of preference. Number 2. Canva AI. Online ads, content, and branding. Graphics of a high standard don't have to be difficult to create, particularly with Canva AI. If you're in need of high-quality, aesthetically appealing graphics for anything from social media posts and flyers to presentations and ad creatives, Canva AI is here to help. To help you save time and keep your brand's aesthetic consistent, it provides AI-powered templates, layout suggestions, and picture choices. With Canva AI, you won't even need a designer on staff. It helps entrepreneurs make their products and services stand out in a competitive market by letting them design eye-catching graphics that connect with customers. Number 3. Notion AI, workflow management, and standard operating procedures. It is vital to keep your company organized and on schedule, and Notion AI can assist you with that. When it comes to managing activities, setting SOPs, organizing papers, and planning team projects, Notion AI is a lifesaver. It helps small businesses stay organized and efficient by automating tasks and providing AI-generated templates. By consolidating all of your tasks, projects, and team communications into one place, Notion AI streamlines your workflow. It's a one-stop shop for productivity that ensures your company runs efficiently. Number 4. Tidio AI, chatbots for customer support. Providing round-the-clock customer service isn't always easy for small businesses, but be rest assured that Tidio AI is here to perfectly help small entrepreneurs boost productivity. This chatbot uses artificial intelligence to automate customer service tasks such as answering frequently asked queries, setting up appointments, and fulfilling orders. With Tidio AI, you can easily connect with clients through your website, mobile app, and social media platforms. Small business owners can provide great support without hiring a huge workforce through Tidio AI's automation of customer service. Improving client engagement and happiness has never been easier than with this solution. Number 5. Zapier AI, automating everyday tasks. Data entry, CRM updates, and email marketing are a few examples of the monotonous yet necessary duties that can bog down a small firm. By integrating your preferred apps and establishing automated workflows, Zapier AI streamlines and automates these processes. With Zapier AI, you can automate social media postings, connect your email list with your CRM, and send follow-up emails. By automating repetitive processes, Zapier AI saves small business owners several hours every week. As a result, you'll have more mental bandwidth to devote to expanding your company. Number 6. Shopify Magic. Small businesses in 2025 that don't have an internet presence or online presence are missing out on huge opportunities. Shopify Magic helps to quickly and easily create a beautiful professional website or online store. With its AI-powered product recommendations and targeted advertising, Shopify Magic streamlines online shopping by offering automated design suggestions and complete website setups tailored to your business needs. Without requiring any specialized knowledge or experience, small business owners can now easily build high-quality websites and online storefronts with the help of this AI tool. If a company wants to increase its visibility online, they must have this important tool. Number 7. QuickBooks AI for finance and bookkeeping. An essential part of managing a company's finances is automating the tedious task of bookkeeping with QuickBooks AI. Financial management is made easy and effective with the automation of expense monitoring, invoice generating, and tax preparation. Integrating with your bank accounts is another way that QuickBooks AI keeps everything accurate and up to date in real time. Keeping your finances in line is a breeze with QuickBooks AI. Not only does it help small businesses save time and avoid mistakes, but it also allows them to remain on top of their finances without having to hire an accountant full-time. Number 8. Otter AI, a platform for online meetings, notes, and transcripts. Meetings and phone calls can quickly pile up for small business owners. service, powerfully transcribing meetings, client calls, and interviews in real time. Otter AI is an impressive transcription tool. Otter will record everything for you, so you can concentrate on the chat and not miss a thing. You won't have to take notes by hand anymore thanks to Otter AI. You can easily go back to past meetings and make sure everyone is on the same page with this feature. Number 9. Calendly and AI. Smart scheduling. One of the most time-consuming chores for small businesses is managing customer meetings and appointments. The amount of time spent corresponding via email, determining when each party is available, and keeping track of multiple meetings may easily become overwhelming. Calendly plus AI is a lifesaver in that situation. Appointment scheduling is a breeze with Calendly, an AI-powered scheduling tool. Customers and coworkers may easily set up appointments with you because it syncs with your calendar. The AI capabilities, however, are what really set it apart. Rather than going through the motions of manually adjusting appointments according to your schedule, time zone, and personal preferences, Calendly's AI can learn your preferences and do it all instead. Among other things, you can automate the process of setting buffers between meetings and making specialized scheduling links for various uses. Number 10. Gumloop. Automating repetitive workflows. Managing follow-ups and organizing customer data are some of the repetitious responsibilities that come with running a small business. To save you time and effort, Gumloop is an AI-powered platform that automates these procedures. Gumloop automates a variety of tasks that can help your business run more smoothly, including data entry, task management, and follow-up email automation. By automating some of the more tedious manual processes, Gumloop frees up time and energy for small business owners to concentrate on expanding their operations. Which AI tool will you be using first? And if you need tutorials or use case videos on any of these listed 10 AI tools, drop it in the comment space and we'll make it happen. Click the like and subscribe button for more related content like this.